Our culture frames wealth as a high adrenaline pursuit. We imagine it as a sequence of lucky breaks, sudden windfalls, and the immediate purchase of luxury goods that announce our arrival to the world. But the pursuit of financial excitement often functions as a financial trap. High earners frequently find themselves looking wealthy on paper, while struggling under the weight of high-interest debt and the constant pressure to maintain an expensive image. The most reliable predictor of a wealthy retirement is rarely visible to the public. It relies on a set of boring, repetitive habits that most people overlook because they lack the flash of a traditional success story. There are 3 subtle indicators that a person is on track for a wealthy retirement, signs that persist regardless of how modest their current lifestyle appears from the outside. Choosing invisible financial systems over status symbols allows an individual to accumulate the tangible capital required to fund a life for 30 or 40 years without a paycheck. When income increases through a raise or a bonus, many people reflexively upgrade their lifestyle. They buy newer cars or eat at more expensive restaurants, a phenomenon known as lifestyle inflation. This creates a cycle where higher earnings are immediately consumed by higher overhead. Despite making more money, the individual never actually gets wealthier because their savings rate remains stagnant. This chart shows the first sign of a future retiree. Note that as the income line climbs, the expense line remains flat. By refusing to upgrade their lifestyle, they allow a massive gap to form between earnings and needs. That unspent money is the fuel that moves from a paycheck into long-term investments, compounding year after year. Consistent, intentional control over spending provides a level of financial security that a high salary alone cannot match, especially if that salary is entirely committed to monthly bills. Many people see their home as their primary investment, aiming for the largest mortgage the bank will allow as a sign of achievement. This often leads to being house poor, owning a valuable asset but lacking the monthly cash flow to do anything else. High property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs can drain a portfolio before it has a chance to grow. The second sign of wealth is high liquidity. While Chart A shows a net worth trapped in brick and mortar, Chart B shows a portfolio where a significant portion of wealth is held in accessible liquid accounts. Keeping housing costs modest allows a person to direct their capital toward investment accounts that provide regular returns, rather than sinking every dollar into a static physical asset. $1 million home provides shelter, but it doesn't provide grocery money. Real retirement security requires assets that can be easily converted into cash without the need to sell your primary residence. Many investors feel they need to outsmart the market, jumping between trending stocks or complex trading strategies to get ahead. This approach is often driven by the anxiety of missing out on the next big win. Successful retirees tend to abandon this chaos. They understand that trying to predict short-term market movements is a statistical losing game, so they choose a different path. The third sign is a boring, diversified portfolio. It relies on broad market index funds with low fees, covering thousands of companies across the entire economy, rather than betting on a single winner. When you leave these investments alone, compounding does the work for you. As the curve shows, growth starts slowly, but eventually sweeps upward, provided the investor doesn't interrupt the process by trying to time the market. Long-term success depends on the patience to set up these automated systems and leave them undisturbed for 30 years, letting time do the heavy lifting. Real wealth is often found in the things you don't see: the car that wasn't bought, the larger house that was declined, and the investment accounts never touched. You don't need a stroke of luck or an insider tip to retire wealthy. You need the discipline to maintain a gap between your income and your lifestyle. Financial freedom is the ability to ignore the noise of the market and the pressure of social competition. It is the peace of mind that comes from knowing your future is secured by a stable, automated system. Take a look at your own accounts today. If you see these 3 signs, spending control, liquidity, and a diversified portfolio, you are already building a foundation that most people only dream about. Choosing the quiet path of disciplined finance is a proven strategy for a stable retirement. Let me know which of these signs you've mastered in the comments. Thanks for watching, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.